So what do we have here, babe? What happened?
Staying warm. Their outdoor wood boiler.
Okay, well, today's golf cart problem is brought to you in part by corrosion. So, she doesn't want to start today. Turn the key, hit the gas. Nothing.
Okay, let's dig in and see why.
Most likely, our culprit right now is going to be our battery terminals. We're going to clean those up, and I can see quite a bit. These aren't even all that tight. You can see how rusted this surface is on the top. Slightly corroded on the wire. I'm going to take this apart, polish this up inside there, clean it. I'll do the same with the negative terminal. And let's start there. Let's get these cleaned up and see if that makes a difference. See what this looks like in here. Yeah, the copper's not too bad, but I'm gonna guess this is completely rusted on this plate. Bolts are all rusted, nuts are all rusted, and the other side, underside of that plate is all corroded. So let's take that off. Okay, now what we're gonna do, let's take some sandpaper, good grit to it, and scratch and scuff the heck out of that. So it's nice and shiny and polished. 80% of your problems are going to be corrosion. Let's scuff this too and clean up this. Don't make too much dust, that's lead. You want to be careful with that. We're also going to clean the inside of this terminal so it makes better contact. Clean that up a little bit. Clean up our battery terminal post here. You can see some corrosion on that. If you look close to that white stuff on there, clean that off. Yeah, nice shiny. Now, the wire itself. Scuff that a couple times. Move it around. Yeah, now it's nice and bright, shiny copper versus dull and faded. But it wasn't green, so if it's green, then it's more corrosive. Okay, hooked back up, all cleaned. She fires right up. That's all it was, a little corrosion. So this one was simple, this one was easy. Battery terminals had corrosion on them. My next guess would have been over here looking into that. Let's cap that so it stays a little better. Alright, follow along, like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, especially if your golf cart's not working. We have a couple different reasons why. This is just one example of what might be the problem. You have a great day.